Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to see what is real rate of return. So before we get into the topic, I'd like to thank everyone who watched my first video, how to make 1 crore with a plan. So if you've still not watched it, please go and watch it. I'll link it somewhere here or in the description box. I'm sure it'll be useful to you in some way or the other. And many of you had shared positive things about that video, and some of you had also shared constructive feedback for it. I'm really thankful for all the feedback each one of you had shared. It was encouraging, and I will continue to make more videos like this. So let's get into today's topic. What is real rate of return? So this video is somewhat like a follow-up for my previous video. I will tell you why. So let's go to the whiteboard. So before we see what are real returns, let us understand what are nominal returns. So let's say in FD you have some money, and for that you're getting 7% annual interest. This is your nominal return, meaning this is the actual amount of return that you get for the money that you have in FD, which does not factor any of these things. Whereas in real returns, we will be factoring in all these three things: inflation, taxes, fees, etc. So let's see that with an example. So we are getting 7% annual return on our FD, and let's say inflation stands at 6%. So 7 minus 6 is your real return, that is 1%. So your money has just grown by 1%. Therefore, understanding the concept of real returns is very important, because in my last video, I would have mentioned how to make 1 crore in 15 years' time. So 15 years is a very long duration, and 1 crores value after 15 years will definitely not be 1 crore. It would have depreciated by a lot. So if you're planning for something long term, like your kids' higher education, your retirement, or buying a house, or whatever it may be, it's good to understand what the real returns on your investment will be, so that it can help you plan these things more effectively. And keeping our money in FD over the long term will definitely not grow our money. We will rather be losing our purchasing power. Therefore, we must aim for investments which will grow our money over a period of time. Most importantly, beat inflation. Does that mean one should not have any money in FD at all? Definitely not. You must have some amount of money in FD. So if you're expecting any expense in the short term, you must definitely have that amount allocated to your FD, and your emergency fund, that is your monthly expense into 6 months or 1 year, depending on your life situation. That amount of money is enough for FD. So the rest of it should be somewhere where your money will grow. I hope this video was useful to you. I'll be making more videos like this in future. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.